Today I'm working on my Viking Husqvarna 950. Very similar to the white machines that I showed you before. They're all made by the same company, Husqvarna Viking. And today I'm working with metallic thread. So I did that with standard thread yesterday, works beautifully. And today I'm working on the machine with metallic threads. You can see the pattern I've got selected there. It's quite a simple machine. Has all the important features of the Viking, which is needle up position, and if you tap it, it goes needle down, reverse. It's got the memory, so you can do this. It's got reverse as well, so you can invert the pattern. So for some of these like this, which is to the left, the points, you can change it to the points on the right. Same with the flowers here, you can alternate those around. You can also program it if you can figure a way to do it, or figure out the purpose. If you're alternating between patterns, so you can turn this left and right using the program, and that might work for certain patterns where you want it, but there aren't that many which are reversible. That one's reversible. That one would be too. So there's a few which can be reversed. It's fine. But I thought I would show you how this thing stitches with metallic thread. I'm not going up full tilt, but you can see that it's very smooth. It's a lovely quiet machine. I've got my foot B on here, and the reason is it's got the trough to allow the thick threads to pass underneath. Without it, it does tend to get bound up a bit. So rather than foot A, I'm using foot B. I can sew faster than this, but it's quite pleasurable just sewing at this quiet speed. Plus, if the thread breaks, which is rare, but it will happen from time to time, then I can just stop and go. It's easier than trying to catch up with the pattern. You can see what's coming out the back, very nice. It's got a different motor than the white. It's a little quiet, a little less buzzy. Excellent machine. Vertical bobbin. Great pleasure to sew on, I have to admit. Really, really smooth and nice. Not the most advanced machine in the whole world, but it's got a maximum stitch width of 6 and maximum stitch length of 6, so it's quite contemporary in the scheme of things. However, for what I need it for, free arm, this machine is great. Has the stretch stitches. Very nice to sew on. Here's full tilt. Not the fastest machine in the world, but that's a pretty good speed, really. And reverse works. Anyway, I shall continue stitching to finish this row of stitching before I go to the next row of stitching, which is going to be in a different thread color, again on metallic, with silver and red rather than variegated. Bye for now.